Hey, I'm Harry with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about the improved Tiger Wall UL and Tiger Wall UL mtnGLO tents. Our award-winning Tiger Wall UL 2 and 3 person and mtnGLO models are our lightest 2-door, 2-vestibule technical backcountry tents, and now redesigned with solution-dyed fabric, also available in 1 person. We've sourced solution-dyed fabric used on the fly, floor, and breathable fabric to drastically reduce water and energy use during manufacturing, a process that's better for the environment and improves the quality of the tent fabric as it's more UV resistant and color fast. By solution dyeing our tent fabrics, we reduce energy consumption by 80% and water use by 50% compared to traditional fabric dyeing methods. Now upgraded with our proprietary tent corner construction and unique tip-lock tent buckle to simplify setup, combining 3 functions: secure pull tip capture, rainfly attachment and tensioner, and stakeout loop. You'll be pitched in a cinch. This buckle has a keyed hole so the pull tip locks securely into place during setup, and hinge design stabilizes structure by equalizing forces between the tent body, rainfly, and ground stake. The Tiger Wall UL is known for its single pull architecture using DAC Featherlight aluminum to create a simple yet strong and sturdy shelter you can rely on through multi-day trips. Our Tiger Wall UL mtnGLO tent provides the same dependability and incredibly lightweight features with the added bonus of ambient mtnGLO tent light technology. No need for bulky lanterns or headlamps shining too bright in these tents. For both models, we've included our new 6-inch Dirt Dagger UL tent stakes, designed with patent-pending I-beam aluminum construction. You can't miss the orange anodized finish, and you'll notice the difference with a 25% increase in strength-to-weight ratio, our lightest and strongest stakes ever. These tents provide plenty of storage for this and that, plus a 3D storage bin at the foot for everything else, and clean earbud cord routing for listening to tunes or your favorite podcast quietly in the backcountry. Don't forget, these tents can be set up in fast fly mode using just the fly, poles, and footprint. Perfect for those hot summer nights on trail or when there's no energy left for a full setup. I prefer fast fly mode if I need to shed extra weight on an overnight and can make do without the tent body taking up space. The reimagined Tiger Wall Ultralight line was built for fast and light adventures with performance and sustainability at the core.